Hello dear students, welcome to Biotation, best platform for NCERT preparation and the motivation. Today we going to discuss about cartilagenous fish from chapter Animal Kingdom. They are marine animals with streamlined body and have cartilagenous endoscalent. Mouth is located ventrally. Notochord is persistent throughout life. Gill slits are separate and without operculum. Gill covering. The skin is tough, containing minute placket scales. Teeth are modified placket scales which are backwardly directed. Their jaws are very powerful. These animals are predaceous. Due to the absence of air bladder, they have to swim constantly to avoid sinking. Heart is to chamber that is have one auricle and one ventricle. Some of them have electric organs like in torpedo, and some possess poison sting like in trigon. They are cold-blooded or picolatherms animals, i.e. they lack the capacity to regulate their body temperature. Sexes are separate. In the male's pelvic fins bear claspers that have internal fertilization, and many of them are viviparous. Examples of cartilagenous fish: 1. Scoliodon, also known as dogfish. 2. Pristes, also known as sawfish. 3. Cartrodon, also known as great white shark. 4. Trigon, also known as stingray. In this YouTube channel, biology video and motivational video is prepared and uploaded for the students preparing for NCERT medical entrance exam, boards exams, and biology Olympiad. So please like, share, and subscribe Biotation. Thank you.